Still on matters of support, Kenya on Friday received 80 tons of food and non-food items from the United Arab Emirates to support those affected by the ongoing floods in the country. Government spokesperson Dr. Mwaura called for more support from both local and international as the number of the affected continue to rise. The consignment, which was delivered in 2 aircrafts straight from UAE, contains flour, rice, pasta, salt, cooking oil, powder milk, dates, tea, fish and sugar, among other things.
The consignment was received by the Cabinet Secretary for East African Community, ASALS, and Regional Development Penina Malonza from the UAE Ambassador to Kenya, Dr. Salim Ahmed Al-Naqbi, at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. The relief aid will be distributed in collaboration with the Office of the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, which coordinates aid from international development partners.
Tunaomba ufadhili zaidi kwa kutoka nchi za kigeni. Tunashukuru kwamba sasa hivi tumepatiwa chakula na vifaa vingine tani 80 kutoka kule Uarabuni, kule Dubai, UAE, na tunaomba wengine waweze kutunga mkono kama serikali.
Cabinet Secretary Malonza said the food aid is a major boost to government efforts to support victims of the floods, noting it will go straight to the needy. UAE Ambassador to Kenya, Dr. Salim Ahmed said UAE will continue to stand in solidarity with Kenya during these challenging times to provide timely assistance to those in need. According to government spokesman Dr. Mwaura, the government has put in place measures to help those affected by providing cash transfers, affordable housing, and social housing initiatives.
Those affected will be considered for social housing on a priority basis, and we are taking data. The State Department for Housing is leading this, of course working with the Ngao officers, so that then we are able to know how they are going to be accommodated.
More than 100 people have voluntarily relocated from areas like Dandora, Mukuru kwa Reuben, and Soweto in Nairobi County.
County ambazo zimeathirika zaidi ni Homa Bay, Kajiado na Nakuru. Homa Bay, Kajiado, Nakuru, Mandera na Nairobi, na hususan hapa Nairobi. Na serikali imeshaanza kutoa hawa wenzetu kutoka manyumbani mwao. Watu 1163 wameweza kuondolewa na wataweza kusajiliwa katika mpango wa nyumba wa serikali, na hakuna mtu yoyote ambaye ataruhusiwa kurudi katika karibu na mito 17 ya Nairobi. Kwa hivyo wale ambao tumeanza kuona watu wakianza kupiga siasa eti kujaribu kuonyesha kama serikali haifanyi kazi.
The Ministry of Interior and National Administration said that a total of 115 camps have been set up across 19 counties, hosting over 27,000 people. Reporting for the Muslim Insight, Saida Aboud Bilay.